Good morning, everyone. My topic is about elements of creativity. So, before going to elements of creativity, let us see what is creativity. Creativity is the act of creating something new. It is the ability to develop new ideas and discovering new ways of looking at problems and opportunities. So, creativity is nothing but creating something new by implementing their ideas and good innovative ideas. So it is also known as ability to develop new ideas and discover solutions and ways for solving the problems and also to accept the opportunities. Example, like suppose a person advertising a product. For example, we will take as Navratna. Navratna, Thanda Thanda Cool Cool. They can use slogans like this to advertise their product so that they can increase their profits and also sales of products in the market. So, next coming into the topic of elements of creativity. So, the first element is willingness. The first and foremost element is willingness to do something new. The willingness of the person should come from within himself. No one can teach him or force him to do something. Suppose if the person want to start his business, he has to take his own decisions and make new ideas for sale of his products and improve his business in his own way. So he has to think everything. He has to make ideas to make his business in a profitable way. The second element of creativity is accepting challenges. A person who fears of accepting challenges can never be a creative person. Let us take the example of business itself. Suppose if the person is running a business and if he gets a loss or a huge loss in the business, he has to implement his own formula or the innovative idea to make his business a profitable business. He has to accept all the challenges and think of the ideas which are more useful to make his business a profitable one. And the third element of creativity is communication. Communication is nothing but it is the exchange of ideas, emotions, feelings, and information. Suppose in business there are three levels of management. The first is top level, the second is middle level, and the third is supervisory subordinates and all the employees, where the top level has to take the decisions or ideas of low level and the middle level, because communication makes the person more innovative. Suppose if a person is having a lots of ideas or thousands of ideas in his mind, but what if he is not able to communicate? It leads to a great loss. So the person has to communicate with his employees or the middle level management so that the top level management can get a more innovative ideas to make his business more profitable. The fourth element of creativity is research. Suppose, for example, in home you have old materials and you think of creating something new out of it, something creating new out of old materials. So you go to YouTube in research of something creating new or Google it to prepare a new thing out of waste materials. Suppose for example you're doing a business and you like to buy a new things like furniture, raw materials. So you're new to the business and you go search of that materials what other companies are using, which brand they are using, what are the products that they use for raw materials. You go on researching, you go on search of products. That is known as research, and it is also most important element of creativity. Thank you for listening to my video. Thank you.